the law of attraction. So many people are talking about the law of attraction in YouTube. So I thought that I would make this video about the law of attraction and tell you the truth behind it. Law of attraction tells you that whatever you want to attract, whatever you seek, you shall get that if your intent to get it is very strong. So does it actually work? It does work. How does it work? To what extent does it work? So I'm here to tell you the truth. If you want to understand anything at its core, then you have to say it with the eyes of astrology. Because when you analyze something and understand it from the eyes of astrology, you understand how things work. So to understand and find out how law of attraction works, we need to understand a fundamental concept. Anything that you seek to get or have in your life comes from a desire. So anything that you want, anything that you wish to become is the hidden desire within you. In astrology, desires are controlled by 3 planets basically: Rahu, Mars and Venus. Rahu's desire is primarily the desire of your birth, the desire which your soul wanted to experience in this lifetime is seen from Rahu. So anything that pulls you towards it repeatedly, day in, day out, every time, that thing which you want to do always, and how much ever you do that, you don't feel satisfied and contented, is the desire given to you by Rahu. Venus's desire is about enjoying life, about enjoyment and pleasure and seeking comforts and luxury and fulfillment. So the desire given to a person by Venus is the desire for relationship, the desire for an attractive partner, the desire to possess a luxurious lifestyle and seek fun in life. So this is given by Venus. And the desire of Mars is something for which you fight for. There are certain desires which makes you really action oriented. So that desire is given by Mars. So whatever mumbo jumbo, law of attraction, attract anything that you want into your life, you can get whatever you want. You just need to seek and desire it and you shall have it. All these gimmicks, the truth is, you have to see the position and dignity of these 3 planets, Venus, Mars and Rahu in your horoscope, how strong they are, and also you need to see the position and dignity of the Lord of the house in which Mars, Venus and Rahu are placed. Any planet when placed in the house of some other planet can achieve only that much which the Lord of that house permits. If the Lord of the house where Venus, Mars and Rahu are placed is very strong, then Venus, Mars and Rahu will become successful in achieving that desire. But if the Lord is weak, then you will only be left with desires and nothing will be fulfilled, guys. So the truth about law of attraction is, for example, you have Rahu in the 2nd house. So you want to become the most wealthy person, the most handsome and good looking person, rich person. So you go to YouTube and you watch a video about law of attraction and then you sit down and you start attracting. And you attract and you attract and you attract. And you only attract because the Lord of Rahu is not well placed. So it doesn't work really. The same with the case of Mars and Venus. Whenever you are very keen to fulfill your desire, open your horoscope, see the position of Mars, Venus and Rahu, and also see the position of the lord of Mars, Venus, or Rahu. For example, Mars is in Taurus, then how strong is Venus? For example, Venus is in Capricorn, then how strong is Saturn? And similarly, if Rahu is in, for example, say Aquarius, then how strong is Saturn? Or Rahu is in Sagittarius, then how strong is Jupiter? So if you analyze the strength of the planet, then you will understand to what extent your desires will get fulfilled in your life. So whenever you get motivated seeing any law of attraction video, if you watch this video, then you're learning the truth that I sitting here can wish and seek and desire to get whatever I want. I also want to become the Prime Minister of India someday. My Saturn or Rahu tells me that someday I will become the Prime Minister of India, but will I really become the Prime Minister of India? Through law of attraction, or my planets will make me the Prime Minister of India? Well, my planets will make me the Prime Minister of India, and law of attraction will only waste few hours of my life sitting in this room in meditative posture and dreaming to become something. If you want to become something, work your ass off, go and do hard work. Just sitting and attracting things is not going to do any good in your life. So guys, you're watching Purab's Astrology. I hope you liked this video. Don't get pissed off because I'm not serious about it, but what I've told is serious. The way in which I've expressed that is not serious, but the content is really serious, guys. Think about it. Watch this video repeatedly again and again, and you will understand the truth of law of attraction. So that's it for today, guys. I love you all. This is Purab from Purab's Astrology. Adios, guys.